What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Overture's PETG in grass green. So one of the things I do love about Overture is that they don't put their sticker on the seal, which is always a plus anymore. They also include a resealable Mylar bag, which is great to see. Always love seeing that. These things are great if you're in a pinch for storage or if you're just starting out in the hobby itself. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this open, and you can see that this is well, like I said, they call it grass green. This one is closer to like a yellowish green. Not really what I would consider grass colored, at least not where I'm at. Anyway, as you know, we're here at Legal Automations. We always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you back here for the benchy. All right. If you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PETG. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up. It should take just a touch over an hour, which is great to see as I kind of mess with it a little bit. So we're going to send it off to the printer along and get all the other test prints done, and I'll be back here in a jiff. And here they are. So this is the generic benchy. A little bit of issues on the overhangs, but overall I'd say looks pretty good. No real major issues with that. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters, cubed in spiral Voss mode. Looks great. No issues, nothing like that. The temperature tower. The temp tower for this one, the best one, I would say, is 240. Overall, that spike had the least amount of stringing and very little globbing on that, so that's always good to see as well. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. No loss of quality, nothing like that. The max volumetric speed test, this one performed very well at 28 millimeters cubed per second, so that's always good to see as well. Overhang test, though. The overhang test worked well. It did succeed, but there was a little bit of loss of quality at about 60 degrees. Just something to be on the lookout for if you're looking at working with this filament. Anyway, we got those settings dialed in, and we reprinted that benchy. Overall, I'd say looks pretty good. Anyway, so at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $18. Link is in the description down below. So yeah. But overall, my overall thoughts on this one are that I like it. I think it's pretty good. The only concern I have, it's not really a grass green color. To me, I would kind of think it to be a little bit more rich and darker. But again, that's just grass where I'm at. So perhaps if you have different colored grass for some reason, leave in the description down below, or leave a comment. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be sure to be kind to each other. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all those nice YouTube things, and I will hopefully see you back here at the next full episode. Thanks.